So I recently did a poll on Instagram on whether I should keep these chrome ones or go black, and a lot of people voted to go black, so that's what I'm doing, switching them out for the black ones. And I'll show you guys how to properly install them and seal them, because I know sometimes if you don't seal these, they get foggy at night or when it's cold out, or even water inside, condensation. So I'm gonna seal them and I'll show you guys how to seal them. I'll show you guys a little walk around of the car real quick. This is actually paint from a BMW. I did the suede interior recently. I have a carbon steering wheel that I'm gonna switch out from that one right there, the OEM. I just haven't installed it yet. So this is an example of what I do. I put tape so I don't really make a mess, and I just leave the outline of where I want to put the actual silicone, like right here in these spots, and fill in the line. This is an example of how it should look when you put the silicone. Just a bead. And I use this silicone. It's for outdoor and indoor. You can get this at Home Depot, and all you need is a gun. And yeah, so just fill in the line all the way around and these little holes. Once they're done, just let them dry out in the sun while you remove your whole front end of your car. Things next, you just gotta remove all the tabs that are on top. There's about 6, 3 on this side, 3 on the other. They're really easy. You just gotta pop them from the bottom, and they should come and then unlock. Yeah, so you just remove all of them, and then to remove the bumper, just one bolt here, one bolt there from the inside. Like, you can't really see. I have to turn my wheel so you can see. If you have the plastic cover, I don't, so it's easier for me, but it's easier to remove the wheels to make the cover move away so that it uncovers those 2 bolts. And then once you remove those on both on each side, the whole bumper should just come off. To remove the headlight, there's 4 bolts. One right here on top, the other right down here, and then there's one right underneath right there, and then one under the fender right there. So it's 4 total, and then that should make your headlights come off. You gotta remove the ballast first. Disconnect it. Once you disconnect it, take off these 3 Phillips head screws. Make sure to not lose anything. Pull carefully. In here, there's one more Phillips screw. Here you just push in. Should come out. Sometimes it has dirt and stuff, so just clean the ballast good around the edge. The good thing is that these headlights come with new seals, so make sure you guys put these seals. They come in a little baggie attached to one of the headlights. Basically, you just place it around. This is to block any dirt or water from coming in. all you gotta remove is the HID bulb, which is up here. Just twist and twist, and there's two little hinges in here. Just gotta pop, move one to the side, move one to the side, pull it up, take out the bulb, and that's all you need, just the ballast and the bulb, and that's it. And then you just transfer everything to the new headlights, and that's it. So to insert the bulb, that square has to line up with that square, and that's it. Then you just lock it in place with these pins. And then you gotta be careful with this. Make sure you lock it in by twisting it. See, it's like, if you look on the sides, it aligns with the little things on the sides. So the headlights are now on, connected, and mounted. Now I just need to put the bumper, grille, and yeah, it should almost be finished now. Came to the store real quick to get double-sided tape so I can install my headlight eyelids, and now it's complete. And this is how the car looks. Let me know if you guys like the chrome or the black more in the comments below. If you guys need any parts, I recommend going to At The Plugs Co. I'll link it in the description. I got the headlights from there for a really good deal. They got the grills, the hoods, the polyurethane front bumpers, Impol poly side skirts. They got a lot of stuff. Carbon trunks. Mostly everything you see here is what I got from At The Plugs. Even the diffuser.